Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to use gesture navigation bar in Realme 15. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system and update. Now click on it and then click on system navigation. If you can select buttons, then here you can change your button layouts, and if you want to use gesture navigation bar, then simply click on gestures, and if you swipe left, then it will go back, and swipe right, it will go back, and if you swipe up in the middle of your phone, then it will go back to your home screen and open recent apps. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.